Warning: the method used in this video may get banned on most trading platforms. Proceed at your own risk.
In August the 21st, I lost $9,655 in less than 25 minutes. I know, it's too much, but here's the shocking part. It wasn't an accident. I did it on purpose. Yeah, I lost over $9,000 on purpose, cause I had a crazy idea. Here's how it went down. Now, before we continue, and if you are interested in learning a good trading strategy that works on binary options perfectly, I invite you to take my course that is in the description of this video, where I teach you my trading strategy. It's happened a lot of my students predict the binary options markets. But if you are not interested, you can forget about it and enjoy this video. If you've seen my previous videos, you're already aware of the hidden truths behind most of the trading platforms. Yeah, they are scammers. They are making their users lose trades intentionally, like you. Yeah, you. I'm talking to you, the one who's watching this video on his phone or his laptop and thinking about starting his trading journey. Or perhaps you already started it. If you ever lost money while trading, maybe it's not because you made a mistake or you made a wrong prediction, or perhaps your strategy sucks. Maybe, and a strong maybe, you lost because they made you lose. So I decided to take a risk to prove it again, proving that they are cheating and rigging the market against you, but this time I have a genius plan. This time I will trade on this trading platform. If they are really manipulating the market, they will try to make me lose too, especially since I'm going to trade with larger amounts of money. Here's how. If you've been following my live tradings on my other channel, you know that my trading strategy is precise and strong when used to detect price movement. Oh yeah, that day I was waiting for a signal looking for an uptrend, and after 5 hours I finally detected one. A perfect uptrend with more than 12 green candles, which means I would naturally open a call position. I mean multiple call positions because I don't want to spend all my money on a single trade. This would be useless and will have no effect on the market. So what I want to do is to open multiple relatively smaller trades. This way I will keep pushing the market for a longer period of time. But if they are really rigging the market, they would create a fake downtrend going against the real uptrend that my strategy detected, causing me to keep losing until I lose everything. In other words, I am the one who's going to force them to keep manipulating the market for a longer period of time, and this will give me more time to execute my backup plan. Now, keep in mind, I'm trading OTC at night. Obviously, OTC at night, it's the perfect time because at that time liquidity is low and hardly anyone's active. That means I don't need massive amount of money to influence the market, and it's easier for me to create price movement. At night, with just $1,000, I can create a whole new trend. So that I was, opening trades, sitting back, letting them take my money and watching it happen. But what they didn't know is that I was one step ahead, playing them the whole time. I had a backup plan. I was quietly waiting for them to set up that obvious fake downtrend while I was preparing for a high leverage position in the opposite direction of my previous trades. And I'm talking about 300x leverage, meaning I would make 3 times what I lost. Then it happened. That fake downtrend I've been waiting for finally showed up. The moment they pulled the trigger, thinking they had me, I was ready to strike. I jumped in, opened a put position on Forex with 300x leverage on the same market they were rigging, and recovered every cent they thought they could steal from me. They thought they had me, but I was setting them up the whole time. Remember, I wasn't just throwing away money for no reason. I was risking and wasting all this money because I knew they would never let me withdraw it anyways. I didn't deposit a dime. I had $11,230 stuck on the first account, earned after days of trading binary options, and just over $20,000 in the second account. Trading platforms like this one are designed to make you lose and trap your funds. They will do everything to stop you from taking away your money from their platform. They will never let you make money and walk away with it. This means that if they allow you to withdraw, they will have to pay you. And that's the last thing they want. So, since I knew I wasn't getting my money back anyways, I figured why not have some fun with them. That day, I spent 5 hours analyzing the EURUSD market. And when I finally spotted the signal, I decided to open the first trade as a call position with $400. As you can see, this position here. Here, I predicted that the market is going up, and really, that's what happened. The market created a green candle. The first trade was a win, and I made $336. But I didn't stop there. Immediately after that, I opened the second trade because I was 100% sure that I was looking at a potential uptrend, and at the same time, I was waiting for them to start manipulating the market and creating a downtrend. So, everything was going smoothly at first. Really, the market was going up as predicted until the last few seconds. Suddenly, a small dip came out of nowhere and I lost $400. The third trade was even worse. No green candle in sight, red all the way, and another loss. At that moment, I knew they were starting their fake downtrend and it will last for a while, so it was time to move. I switched to my second account, opened a Forex leveraged position with 55 lots at 300x leverage with a margin of $20,400. Meanwhile, I kept opening long positions on my first account, forcing them to keep creating that fake downtrend. But here's the twist. While they were faking the downtrend, it was working in my favor on the Forex trade. 24 minutes later, I had already opened 25 trades. And I lost 24 of them with a total loss of $9,655, so the market was deep in red. Exactly what I needed, because on my second account, I closed the trade at a profit of $27,130.56. If we subtract the losses that I made on the other account, which is $9,655, I walked away with a profit of $17,475.56. At the start of the night, my first account held $11,230, but the time it was over, I was left with only $1,575. But the real action was on my second account, starting with $20,452, and by the end of that Forex trade, it had skyrocketed to a staggering $37,927.56. Yes, I outsmarted them, but they couldn't handle it. The next morning, I woke up to my second account blocked with an email stating I was permanently banned from their platform. So, be warned, if you are using this kind of trading platforms, trade carefully and always be cautious about where you trust your money. There are countless fake brokers out there waiting to take advantage of you. Now, if you made it this far and you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.